Good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your English teacher Saima Khizar. Hope you all will be fine and also taking care of your health. I am here to teach you your English subject today. As you can see the title page of your English book. The title page, the name of your book is Oxford Progressive English. Today, instead of starting your today's lesson from your course book, I will start our first lesson from our general concept and general topic, that is a noun. Today we will learn about noun. N-O-U-N, noun. As you all know, all of us have a name. Like I'm your English teacher, I also have a name. Your Urdu teacher also have a name. Your maths teacher. इसी तरह घर में जो कि आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स होते हैं, जिस तरह आपकी मदर हैं, फादर हैं, ब्रदर हैं, सिस्टर्स हैं, all of them have a name. Nouns are naming words. Nouns जो होते हैं वो बेसिकली नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग का नाम होता है. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Today we will learn about noun. So now we will start our lesson. There is a picture of a family. Can you see the pictures? First you can see the picture of mummy, then daddy, Sarah, Ali, Fiza, Biff. Okay. After looking at this picture, you can understand that all of these are members of a family and all of these have a name. Biff is a pet animal. Fiza and Sarah are sisters and Ali is their brother. And this is their mama and papa, their mummy and daddy. So these are the nouns that we can find of our family, and these are the nouns that are naming, and that are some persons. Okay. Now I am coming to the names of some things. Now I am coming to the names of some things. So look at these pictures now. You can see the pictures of some animals. You can see the pictures of some animals. You know, animals all have names like kangaroo, monkey, crocodile, lion, tiger, elephant, bear and a zebra. All of these are animals and all of these have a name. Nouns are naming words. तो ये जितने नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, जितनी भी चीज़ें जिनके नेम होते हैं, वो सब के सब नाउन्स होते हैं. वो किसी पर्सन का नेम भी हो सकता है, वो किसी थिंग का नेम भी हो सकता है, वो किसी प्लेस हो सकता है. Now I am showing you some pictures of some toys. You are at home today nowadays. आजकल आप लोग घर पे ही हैं ना, तो घर में ज़ाहिर है आप लोग डिफरेंट गेम होंगे टॉयज़ के साथ. तो जितने के टॉयज़ होते हैं उनका कोई ना कोई नेम तो होता है ना, क्योंकि अपने किसी टॉयज़ के साथ खेलना होता है तो उसका कोई ना कोई नेम तो ज़रूर होगा. तो ये तमाम टॉयज़ के नेम्स होते हैं ना, वो सब भी नाउन्स होते हैं. जैसे कि देखें, दिस इज़ अ रॉकेट, बॉल, ये आपके टॉयज़ के नेम्स हैं. ठीक है बेटा. प्लेन, मार्बल्स, पजल, डॉल, boat and a car. All of these are your toys and इन सब की कोई ना कोई नेम्स हैं, और जो जितने भी नेमिंग थिंग्स होती हैं, नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, वो सब के सब नाउन्स होते हैं। सबसे पहले हमने नाउन्स की बात की कि पर्सन्स जो होते हैं वो कौन से नाउन्स होते हैं। जैसे आपकी टीचर्स जो हैं, जैसे उर्दू टीचर का कोई नेम है, मैथ्स टीचर का कोई नेम है, साइंस टीचर का कोई नेम है। इसके अलावा आपके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं स्कूल में डिफरेंट, सबके कोई ना कोई नेम होते हैं। आपके कज़न्स होते हैं, आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर्स होते हैं, तो ये सब के सब जो होते हैं ये पर्सन्स में आते हैं। उसके बाद थिंग्स में टॉयज़ आ जाते हैं, एनिमल्स भी आ सकते हैं। इसके अलावा डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स जो हम लोग खाते हैं, जैसे वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज हैव नेम्स। जैसे कि बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स हमारे फेवरेट होते हैं, जैसे मैंगोज, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स लाइक टू ईट मैंगोज, वी आल्सो यूज मैंगोज टू मेक, and most of the children like to eat potatoes like in form of chips. So there are most of vegetables and food life, and they are our favorite, and these are all names, and these are called names. Now look at the pictures of some food items here. Like you can see chocolate. Do you like chocolate? But it's too sweet. ये बहुत मीठी होती है और आपके इससे दांत खराब हो सकते हैं, ठीक है। Chocolate is also a eating food item. Okay, banana, apple, orange, biscuit, cake, and a pear. You can see different type of fruits, juices, sweets, chocolates, cakes and biscuits here. All of these are food items, and you can see that all of these food items have a name. जितने भी आपको फूड आइटम्स यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहे हैं वो सब के सब नेम्स हैं, उनका कोई ना कोई नेम है। तो ये तमाम उनके क्या होंगे? नाउन्स होंगे। ये क्या होंगे? Now I am coming to the nouns we can find in different places. We have lot of nouns in our room. In our house there are many rooms we have, like there is a bedroom, there is a bathroom, there is a living room, and there is a kitchen also. Now I am coming to the nouns that we can find in our house. Can you see the picture? This is the picture of different rooms that we have in a house. Now we will discuss about the nouns that we can find in our different rooms. You can see here the picture of a kitchen, then a living room, then a bedroom, and then a bathroom. All of these rooms have nouns in it, different naming in it. Lot of things that we can find in different rooms, and all of these have some names. Like pen, we can find the kitchen. Bed, we can find bed in the bedroom. Tap, we can find tap in bathroom and in the kitchen both. Chair in the living room. Shower in the bathroom. Stove in the kitchen. TV in the living room. Dish in the kitchen. Spoon in the kitchen. Lamp in the bedroom. Door and ये दोनों ऐसे नाउन्स हैं जो कि हम तमाम रूम्स में तकरीबन मौजूद होते हैं। फ़ोन, knife, we can find knife in the kitchen. Fridge also we can find in the. These are all types of nouns and different things that we can find in our surrounding. All these things that have a name, they called naming. All these naming words are called nouns. So today we have learned about noun. Today we have learned about noun, N-O-U-N, noun. And we learned that nouns are naming words, and we have learned that nouns are naming words. Now we are going to the written work now. Now I will show you a copy in which we will do our today's classwork. This is your English copy, and today we will do this written work in our copy. Our today's topic is general grammar. General grammar. Noun. Noun. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Examples of nouns. I write down these nouns by myself. You write down your naming words, your nouns by yourself. आप अपने पास से भी बहुत सारे nouns यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं. These are some examples like number 1 boy, boy. boy, boy. Number 2 cat, cat. Cat is the name of an animal. Number 3 table, table. Table is the name of a furniture. Number 4 pencil, pencil. pencil, pencil. Pencil is the name of a type of stationery. house, house. House is the name of a building. Number 6 book, book. Book is also a stationery. Today we will learn about noun. Now we are going to write down our today's classwork. I have shown you the copy, my copy to you. Now I will write down all these nouns with definition and examples on the whiteboard, and you will write down all these classwork on your copy. So please take out your English copy, put a margin line, and get ready for your today's classwork. Now coming to the written work, I hope you have opened your English copies and also get ready for your classwork now. First I have told you that please put a margin line, and then let's start our classwork now. You have write down, first you will write down the day and date of today's day and date. Today is Thursday, starting with capital T H URSDAY, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Second July, JULY, July 2020. This is our today's day and date. Thursday, 2nd of July 2020. Now coming to the topic. First we will start from our today's topic. Nouns are from grammar. So we will write down starting with capital G. You can see the formation G that don't join small with capital. आपको पता होगा कि ज्वाइनिंग राइटिंग में कैपिटल के साथ स्मॉल को ज्वाइन नहीं करते. पहले हमने यहाँ पर कैपिटल जी लिखा, उसके बाद इसको ज्वाइन स्टार्ट करेंगे स्मॉल ई एन ई आर ए एल GENERAL, general. And putting one finger gap, you will write down capital G and R with G. R double M A R. General grammar. After date, we have write down general grammar. Now we are coming to the topic. Our today's topic is noun. We will write down noun in the center of the line, starting with capital N. N O U, noun. Now we are going to the definition. Starting letter N O U N S, nouns. How I am writing the joining? Please do practice and write in joining writing. N O U, nouns. A E R, nouns are N A M I N E. Nouns are naming, then putting one finger gap, words. Nouns are naming words. Now I am coming to the examples. First we have write down the day and date. Then grammar. And we have write down the topic noun. Then down the definition. Nouns are naming words. Now I will give you some examples of nouns. As we have write down the topic and the definition, now I am coming to the examples. Okay, starting from number 1. Joining writing में थर्ड लाइन से हमेशा स्टार्ट किया जाता है. मेकिंग अ लूप. B O Y, boy. Number 1, boy. Number 2, starting with third line, C-A-T, cat. Number 3, table, starting with small t, A B L E, table. Number 4, starting with small p, P-E-N C-I-L, pencil. Number 5, house, again starting with third, H-O-U-S-E, house. Number 6, starting with small b, B-O-O-K, book. These are examples of different boy, cat, table, pencil, chair, and a book. Now again we are going to the general grammar. The topic is noun. Then definition: nouns are naming words, and there are the examples. This is your complete classwork. Now I am going to given you a homework task. Home task. Please turn your page and come on the next page and write down HWO on the top of the page like this, and then write down, make a list of 10 nouns in your copy. Make a list of 10 nouns in your copy. Then you will numbering. You can numbering like this, and then you can write down. Then Now you will write down the names of different nouns. Different nouns. You will write down different nouns from your surrounding and write down in your copies in a joining writing. Hope you enjoy the lesson and also understand topic noun. Again I am going to explain. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words, and these names can be of a person, place or a thing. Our today's topic is completed now. Now I am going to give you a writing practice as a homework, as a home task. I am going to give you 2 home tasks. The one is make a list of 10 nouns in your copy, and the second is writing joining. I will write down some letters. You all will write down these letters in your copy, and you will do practice of these letters in your copy. So take out the next page and write down HWO. Now I am coming to the next page. That page will be given you as a home task. The second home task is writing practice. You will open your next page and write down on the top of the page HWO. Then WRITING writing, PRACTISE practice. Writing practice. Today we will do writing of gross letters. Today we will do writing practice of gross letters. These gross letters are A, C, E, I, M, N, Q, R, S, U, V, W and X. Gross letters are those letters that we write down in 2 central lines. आपकी कॉपी में 4 लाइंस होती हैं. जो सेंटर वाली 2 लाइंस पे लेटर्स आते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं ग्रॉस लेटर्स. आप जरा गौर से देखिएगा कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लेटर्स लिखे हैं मैंने, वो सब के सब सेंटर वाली 2 लाइंस पर ही आए हैं. सेंटर वाली 2 लाइंस पे जो लेटर लिखे जाते हैं उनको कहते हैं ग्रॉस लेटर्स. एंड यू विल राइट डाउन लाइक A, C, E, I, M, N, Q, R, S, U, V, W and X. Today we learn about the gross letters. In the next lesson, I will teach you the next letters. आज के दिन जो मैं आपको राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस दे रही हूँ वो ग्रॉस लेटर्स की है. अगेन अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं एक दफ़ा आपको दोबारा इसकी राइटिंग करके दिखा देती हूँ ताकि आप उसी को फॉलो करके अपनी राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस कर सकें. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस अंडर दीज लेटर्स. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डाउन अगेन दीज लेटर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. The first letter is A. You will write down A starting with 3rd line like this and A. Then C. Then E. Then I. M. आप जरा गौर से देखिए तमाम लेटर्स की एक टेल हमने बनाई है. ज्वाइनिंग राइटिंग में हर लेटर की टेल से स्टार्ट होता है और टेल हमेशा 3rd लाइन से स्टार्ट होती है. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड Q, सॉरी O, R, S, U, V, W and X. These are the gross letters and we have to write down this writing practice on your copy. आप लोगों ने इन्हीं लेटर्स की राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है और बिल्कुल इसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करना है जैसे टीचर ने की है। आज हमने ग्रॉस लेटर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है। नेक्स्ट लेसन में आपको नेक्स्ट लेटर्स के बारे में ज़रूर बताऊंगी। आई होप यू एंजॉय द लेसन। एंजॉय योर डे। हैव अ नाइस डे। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, स्टे हैप्पी, बी हैप्पी एंड खुदा हाफिज़ फ्रॉम योर इंग्लिश टीचर साइमा। खुदा हाफिज़ एंड गुड बाय।